Hey everybody, Brittany with HeatSpring here to talk to you today about the International Ground Source Heat Pump Association, also known as ICSPA, Certified Residential Designer Program, and that's also known as the CRD. And this is a comprehensive training course that equips professionals with the expertise to design efficient and sustainable ground source heat pump systems for homes. And so throughout this program, participants are going to delve into different aspects of geothermal system design. So, things from understanding the basic principles of ground source heat pumps to mastering complex calculations to maximize system efficiency and do appropriate system sizing. So, by the end of this course, learners are going to have the knowledge to tackle real world design challenges. And you're going to work through some sample problems as well. The whole course and then program culminates in a certification exam. And if you pass that exam, you are a certified residential designer. So if you're interested in getting your CRD, stay tuned and we'll talk about all the different requirements to get you there. So how do you qualify for the CRD? So every candidate must complete an ICSPA approved Certified Residential Geothermal Designer course. Of course, HeatSpring offers one, very easy to find on our website by searching these words. In addition to taking an online course, students with HeatSpring will also want to purchase their manuals, which they'll do directly from IGSPA, and we have that linked both within the course classroom and on the course landing page for you to check out. Let's talk about the topics that are going to be covered in the CRD class and exam. Things like ground source heat pump benefits, system components, heat pump types, the design process, energy requirements, load calculations, parameters that affect different types of heat pumps' performance, so the site, the geology, and the soil conditions. Also look at heat pump and pipe design, as well as the economics of design. How much does it cost to take this exam? In addition to the course and the manuals, IGSPA has an exam package that costs $350. And this includes fees for the IGSPA CRD exam, IGSPA membership for 3 years, and an individual license for the CSA standards. And you pay this once you complete the course and you're ready to take the exam. Speaking of the exam, what can you expect with the CRD exam? This exam has 50 multiple choice questions and it's an open book exam. To consider passing the exam, you need to score an 80% or above. The CRD exam is not proctored and test takers can use any device they'd like to access the exam. Let's say you get 80% or above and you are now a certified residential designer with IGSPA. How can you renew your certification? So continuing education is required every 3 years for certification renewal. And during that 3-year period, you'll need to accumulate 8 points that you will submit on IGSPA's continuing education form. And let's talk about how you can accumulate those 8 points. There's 3 key ways. The first one is employment. And you can accumulate up to 4 points by remaining continually employed for the 3-year period in things like geothermal heat pump and heating, ventilation, or the air conditioning fields. The total points is equal to the number of years employed times 1.33. The second way that you can accumulate points is through membership in an approved organization. So that includes IGSPA, the National Groundwater Association, and ASHRAE, or the American Society of Heating, Refrigerating, and Air Conditioning Engineers. Or you could also be a member of similar organizations as well. You get 1 point for each year of membership. Membership in more than one organization is great because it will apply towards accumulation of multiple points per year. And finally, education is the last way that you can accumulate those 8 points. Those points can be accumulated by participating in continuing education or professional activities in things related to geothermal heat pumps or HVAC systems. 2 points can be accumulated for each 20 contact hours in seminars or in training. And so the calculation for that is the total contact hours of training times point 0.1 will equal your CEU credit points. You can learn all about IGSPA certification renewal requirements right on their website, so I recommend checking that out as well. It's a great resource. If you have any questions about becoming an IGSPA certified residential designer, just hit us up. We're so happy to help. Our email address is support@heatspring.com, and we'll be sure to answer your questions there. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll see you in class.